So you'll start by rewriting with bringing the x up and making the exponent negative. And then this is just a straight integration. We can put the 10 out front, and we'll have x raised to the minus 3.5 dx. And that integral now is going to be 10 times x raised to the, now we're going to raise that by 1, so we'll have minus 2.5 divided by minus 2.5. And then that's going to be evaluated from 1 to 3. So we'll go 10 times x raised to the, rather, 10 times 3 raised to the minus 2/5, minus 2.5 rather, divided by minus 2.5 minus 10 times 1 raised to the minus 2.5 divided by minus 2.5. And then this can be simplified quite a bit. So we have 10 times 3 raised to the minus 2.5 over minus 2.5 minus 10 times 1 raised to the minus 2.5 over minus 2.5. Now we have two negatives here, which would make a positive, and one negative here. So if we switch their order, we'd actually have 10 times 1 raised to the minus 2.5, which really is just going to be 1. Doesn't matter. And then over 2.5. So that's this term here. We've just taken away the two negatives. And then we have one negative here, so minus, and then 10 times 3 raised to the minus 2.5 over now 2.5, because that negative's gone here. Now we can take a 10 out and multiply top and bottom by 2 to make these 2.5s into 5s. That would make it look a little nicer, but actually we can do a little better than that. 2.5 would go into 10 4 times. And really, all this 1 raised to the 2.5 here is just 1. So this whole term right here is just 4. And then again, the 2.5 goes into 10 4 times, and in the top we'd have a 4, and in the bottom we'd have a 3 raised to the positive 2.5. Which, I mean, this could be written a little more nicely by going 4 times 1 minus 1 over 3 raised to the 5 halves. That's what 2.5 is. Of course, that could be evaluated exactly a little more closely by getting a common denominator. The answer that you gave in your email had 2.5 here. It wasn't converted to a fraction. But that's how it is.